Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. I am Ashaduzzaman, assistant teacher English, Kashmir College High School and College, Siradikhan Munshiganj. Okay, dear students, how are you? I am fine. I hope you are also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today, at present situation, you are passing a critical time because of coronavirus. Okay, dear students. Because of coronavirus, many people lives are destroyed, and you have to be more careful about coronavirus. Okay, dear students. Today, welcome to our online class, and today I am going to take the class, especially class 9 and 10. Our today's topic is take question. Okay. At first we will know what is take or what is question. Okay. First of all, we know take. Take means here take question. Here we can find out two types of partial speech. Here take is may be used noun or verb. Also question may be used noun or verb. Okay. Now I will discuss about take. Take means a word, a phrase, or a clause which is added to a statement in order to put emphasis or to form a question. Take two types of partial speech. Also, we have already said. I have already said, and take noun. If it is noun, that Bengali meaning is that no, not, rose ring, অভিনয় শেষে দর্শকের দিকে ভাষণ ভাদা বলে ফ্যাশন. Okay, and if it is verb, if it is verb, Bengali meaning take the একত্রে গাথা and বাধা. And now we will know about question. Question means a sentence worded or expressed so as to elicit information. Ask questions of someone, especially in an official context. Okay. If question is noun, its Bengali meaning is that proshno, jigyasha, jara. Okay. If question is verb, its Bengali meaning is that proshno kora, jigyasha kora, jara kora, tolonto kora, and so on. Now we will know together example, together answer, take question. Okay. Take question means short edition. Take question means short edition. অর্থাৎ take question হচ্ছে সেন্টেন্সের সহিত সংক্ষিপ্ত কিছু যোগ করা, যার দ্বারা অপরের সম্মতি পাওয়ার জন্য কোনো কিছু প্রশ্ন বা জিজ্ঞাসা করা হয়। তাই and take question, another definition is that a short question added to the end of a statement is called take question. Okay. Bengali meaning is that বাক্যের শেষে ব্যবহৃত সংক্ষিপ্ত প্রশ্নকে take question বলা হয়. Okay. Now we will know how to take question and which things we have to do. To complete take question, we have to follow the following things. These things are structure of the take questions, meaning or recognizing verbs, especially simple present or simple past. Using person, especially pronoun. Constructed form. It's very important for making a take question. Formation of take questions. Formation take question has 6 parts. Take questions after positive statement. Take questions after negative statement. Take questions after imperative statement. Take questions after explanatory statement. Take questions after complex sentence. And last of all, common text. Two things: positive statement, positive take. Negative statement. statement, negative take. Okay. Now we'll know basic rules of take question. Basic rules of take question. Already I have said, if we do take question, if we want to do take question, we have to learn about verb and recognize the verb. This verb is which tense, present or past. Okay. If suppose for example, Rina knows it. Rina knows it. Rina knows it. Here we can see here Rina is subject, knows verb, it object. Okay. So we can find out subject, verb and object. We can find out subject, verb and object. Rina subject knows verb, the object. Okay. Now we have to think. Knows these verbs which tense. Knows verb is present tense, and we have to find out present tense from two parts. Present tense from two parts. How? Suppose we can say, for example, we can say know, or knows. Know and knows. Both are present tense, and essentially present tense has two forms. Present tense has two forms. One is base form. Another is as form. One is base form and another is as form. So we can see Rina knows it. Here knows which form, base or as. I think it's as form. If subject after verbs, if it is as form, we have to use doesn't. We have to use doesn't. Doesn't. If subject after verb, if it is present form and base form, especially base form, we have to use don't. Now, for example, number one, Rina knows it. Full sentence, present tense. They know it, present tense. Raihan knew it. It's fully past tense, simple past indefinite. So we can find out after subject, this knows, present form, and it's form two types, base form or as form. So we can also already have, I can also say it knows as form. We have to use doesn't for as form, doesn't. Just remember one thing. After using auxiliary verb, we have to use subject. What type of subject? Here is Rina. Rina subject is totally noun. Especially we have to use acting to subject. Take question acting to subject. You have to use pronoun. Okay. Rina means Rina female. For that reason, we have to use she. We have to use she. So doesn't she? Doesn't she? Then interrogation mark. Okay. Dear student, can you understand it properly? I can also say it again. Rina knows it. Here Rina subject, knows verb and it object. First of all, you have to think. After subject, which verb? Here verb is present form and it's totally as form. Okay. This as form, for this as form, we can use auxiliary verb. Acting auxiliary verb doesn't. Only as form, doesn't. And subject, we have to use subject. Pronoun, acting pronoun, subject. Rina subject. This is a noun. We have to use pronoun. So Rina is totally female. So you have to use she. Doesn't she? It's okay. Then question number 10, 2. They know it. They know it. They subject, know verb, it object. They subject. First example, Rina subject, it's noun. Number 2 example, they subject, it's pronoun. And after subject, we can see no. No means present tense, verb is present tense, and it we can use present what type of form? Base form or as form? You have to think. Yeah, it's totally base form. So we can use don't. Don't. Already person pronoun has given. So don't they. Don't they. Okay? I can tell now again. They know it. They part subject, no verb, it object. They person is total pronoun, no verb, present form, and it is base form, it object. First of all, we have to see what type of verb. Present form. And if this is, so it is present form, and we have to think what type of form, present form, and what form. Present form and two types, base form, S form. Which form? Base form or S form? Is totally base form. So we can use, if it is base form, we can use don't. So here is don't, here is used don't. Okay. And question number and person they. Why we have to use they? Why we have to use they? Because already they here is pronoun. So we have to use accusative subject pronoun. Here is pronoun. No change. If subject given sentence is subject pronoun, no subject is changed. Okay. Raihan knew it. Raihan subject, knew verb, it object. Okay. Subject, verb, object. Verb. After Raihan, we can see knew. We can see knew. Knew what type of verb? Simple past. Past verb 2. Past means verb 2. Verb 2. If after use verb 2, after subject verb 2, when we can see after subject verb 2 new. We have to, if it is verb 2, we have to use accusative auxiliary didn't. Accusative auxiliary didn't, person didn't, Raihan, subject, but it is noun or pronoun? It is noun, but we have to use pronoun, person, accusative person pronoun. So Raihan means male, so we have to use he. Okay, dear students, we can go another example. Can you understand it properly? Okay. I can write another example, and you can see. Now I will talk to you about a contracted form. Okay. Contracted form am not. Okay. Is not, are not, was not, were not, have not. could not. Now we will know its fully contracted form. We will know fully contracted form. And am not. Am not. When the question is am not. When the question is am not. We have to use contracted form. When we use contracted form, am not, we have to use aren't or ain't. Isn't, short form, isn't, aren't, wasn't, weren't, short form, weren't, haven't, hasn't, hadn't, can't. Okay? Can't, couldn't. Okay. It's totally contracted form, a full form, and it's brief form and full contracted form. Okay. Its example, we can say example. He is a student. S-T-U-D-E-N, student. He is a student. Here his subject is verb and etc. Here his subject pronoun is auxiliary verb. One thing you also have to remember is after subject verb is auxiliary or principal. It is the most important thing for a student or for a learner. Remember it very carefully. Is auxiliary. If subject after subject, if we can find out auxiliary verb, we can't use don't, doesn't, or didn't. After subject, if we can find out auxiliary verb, we can't use anymore don't, doesn't, or didn't. Okay. Here is no use don't, doesn't, or didn't, because we have seen here totally auxiliary form. If it is here auxiliary form, we have to use short form. This auxiliary short form. Okay. This isn't. That means isn't. Isn't he? Isn't he? Okay, question mark. Isn't he? Question mark. If it is she is, Ratan was a liar. Ratan was a liar. Here Ratan is subject, was verb, etc. So Ratan, here is subject, person Ratan. Is totally noun or pronoun? It's totally noun because here is name, mentioned name. Okay, noun. So noun Ratan was verb. Here is auxiliary verb or principal verb. We can find out auxiliary verb. Okay, auxiliary verb. Am, is, are, was, are, have, has, had, can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, ought to, used to, modal auxiliary also. Okay, Ratan, person, here is noun, auxiliary verb. Can we use don't, doesn't, or didn't? No, because we can find out auxiliary. If after person we can see auxiliary verb, we have to use contracted form. We have to use contracted form with auxiliary. Okay. Now wasn't. We can use wasn't. Short form. Ratan. Here is Ratan person. Here is Ratan person, and it is totally noun. We have to use pronouns. Take question subject into pronoun. We have to use pronoun. Okay. Here is wasn't Jordan Bale. Here is he. Wasn't he? Wasn't he? Okay, dear student. Okay. Okay. We will go another example. Okay. He read the book. The book. He read the book. He reads the book. And then the example is that they cannot do it. Dear students, remember it. Remember this example. Follow this example very carefully. Okay. Remember one thing. The structure of sentence, the structure of the T question has two parts. Structure of the T question has two parts. Which parts? Sentence and other is T question. Statement or sentence and other is T question. Okay. If the statement is positive, if the statement is positive, the question tag is negative. Again, I will tell you again. If the statement is positive, the question tag is negative. Okay? If the statement is negative, if the statement is negative, the question tag is affirmative, positive. Again, I will tell you again. If the statement is positive, the question tag is negative. If the statement is negative, the question tag is positive. Okay. Now we can find out. You have to follow this example. He read the book. Here he subject. We can see read verb and the book object. Okay. Here read. Read is totally means after read. We can say after read. Read is totally principal verb or main verb. Principal verb. Okay, or main verb. Okay. Here read. Read, present, past and past participle. Present, past and past participle. Here read, present, read, past and read, past participle. Okay. Here this read, present or past. Present or past. We have to think. We have to think very carefully. Okay. Here read is totally who is tense, present or past. Because she read present, past and past participle is the same. So how I recognize it? How it is to present, past or future. Okay. Read after subject if the subject is third person. If the subject is third person and it is present from we have to use, also have to use after verb we have to use as or yes. If the subject is third person singular, if it is present from, after subject verb should be used as or yes. Should be used as or yes. We cannot find out as or yes. So after subject third person singular, and we can't find out as verb. We add doesn't add any as or yes. So we can't say. For that reason we can't say it is present. We can say it is past. Okay. So we can if the main verb is past form, we have to use what type of auxiliary? If the main verb is past form, you have to use didn't. Okay, we have to use didn't. Now we have to use didn't here. Didn't. Already person has he. Already person has given pronoun. Didn't he? Didn't he? Okay. Didn't he? Because if the statement already I have already said if the statement is positive, the question tag is negative. So it is positive, totally positive. He read the book. She would report it. Okay. So we can say totally main verb is past form, and we can if the verb is past form, we have to use didn't. So we have to use didn't, and already person has given pronoun. Okay, didn't he? Okay. We also said they cannot do it. They cannot do it. তাই করতে পারে না. If the statement is negative, the question tag is positive. Okay. They cannot do it. Can auxiliary. Okay. We can't use here known, doesn't, or didn't, because here is auxiliary has given. Already auxiliary has given. Okay. Because we can also auxiliary. We can use auxiliary can and they. Person they. Okay. They can't do it. Can they? Okay. Just understand it properly, very carefully. Okay. And we will go another example. Here only written negation after positive statement, negative statement, imperative sentence, extraordinary and complex sentence statement. Okay. We can write another example. You put the book and you read the book. You put the book and you read the book. Here I have given already two sentences. You put the book, you read the book. Here put. You put the book. Already also. She put the book. I have already written three sentences. Number one, you put the book. They read the book. She put the book. Here put. This type of verb have three forms is the same. Three forms are the same. Okay. Put. This is the third form, present, past, and past participle. Okay. Here put. What type of tense? Present or past? How you have to recognize it? Okay. So you have to recognize it very carefully. After you have to follow after before verb person. You have to follow person. Next person is you second person. So after second person, we also know if it is present form and subject is the third person singular, after person, verb should be used as or yes. Here we can say there is no as or yes, but third put this type of form, third form is the same. So how we have to use, how you have to recognize, how you have to think it is present or past. Okay, it is present or past. Put the second person, use second person and put verb. Here put present or past. I have to follow person, use second person, and it is second person is here second person. After second person we have to use verb. We have to use verb. Here put is present. Why we have to use present? Because there is no past form. There is no mention here past time. There is no mention here past time. Okay. So we have to use this thing. Imagine if this put is present form and present form. We cannot say present form, but base form or as form is totally base form. So we can use don't. Don't you. They read the book. They third person, and it is totally plural. And read verb, and this three form is the same. And this read, this read, before it past, and this read present. Okay. So we have to use as a base form, according to base form, and we have to use don't. Also don't. Don't they? She put the book. Put, here put, and she put. Here person and this person is third person. We also know third person. If the third person is third person, and after person the verb should be as or yes. Then we have to recognize it present form. Third person, here is person third, but here verb is no as, any as or yes. So we can't say anymore. It's totally past form. It's present form. So we can say it is past form. So past form, if it is past form, we have to use active auxiliary didn't. Active auxiliary didn't. Okay. Didn't she? Okay. Then students, okay. I can go another example. Okay. Dear students, you have to do the things first thing, and you have to know the verb, and type of verb. Suppose we can say verb, present, past, or past participle. Recognize it very carefully. Number one, buy, bought, bought. Number two, tell, told. Go, went, gone. Three verbs. One is present, mentioned here by, past form bought, past participle from bought. Tell, told. Go, went, gone. Okay. You can write another example. He goes to school. They go to school. to and Rima went to school. Okay. I have already written three sentences. One is first one is he goes to school. They go to school. Rima went to school. Okay. Here he goes to school. Here goes after subject verb.